Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying hardware and powering the displays. Check the GPU outputs on your PC, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA, and pick compatible cables. If one monitor needs an adapter, use an active, powered adapter. Passive adapters often fail. Once you have cables and the monitors turned on, set each monitor's input/source to the matching port. Make sure the PC is off or asleep while you plug cables in. Then boot to proceed to configuration. Once your PC boots with both monitors connected, open Display Settings and click Detect if a screen is missing. You should identify each monitor and then choose Extend to increase desktop space or Duplicate to mirror. Arrange them by dragging the screen icons to match physical placement and set which is primary. Make sure each monitor runs at its native resolution and preferred refresh rate. If you see limited resolutions, update GPU drivers. These steps ensure Windows move correctly and performance matches the hardware. You finish by organizing cables and confirming adapters are secure. Some systems require enabling multi-display in BIOS, so check if only one output works. Calibrate color and scale, adjust power/sleep settings to prevent unexpected disconnects, and test with Windows, video, and games to verify performance. If a monitor shows no signal, start with the simplest checks. Confirm its input/source, swap cables, power cycle the monitor, and try the adapter on another port. If that fails, reinstall GPU drivers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.